Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Apple Watch is charged and supports water lock so the feature will respond. Make sure your screen is active. Press the digital crown if needed and swipe up to open Control Center. Tap the water drop icon to engage water lock. This prevents accidental taps and prepares the speaker chamber. Once done, you've sealed the watch for ejection. You'll use the digital crown next to expel water. These steps set the device so the eject works properly. With water lock active, you press the digital crown firmly and start rotating it slowly but steadily. This is the actual eject action. You will hear a series of tones and feel brief vibrations. These are the watch using sound waves and pressure changes to push water out of the speaker port. Make sure to rotate until the watch displays the unlocked icon or a short animation. Stop rotating only when the tones finish and the screen indicates the watch is unlocked. After the eject sequence, check speaker sound by playing a short alert or using a timer. You should hear clear audio. If sound persists muffled, repeat the crown rotation for another 1 to 2 full turns. This often dislodges residual water. Make sure to dry the watch exterior with a soft, lint-free cloth and avoid heat or compressed air that can damage seals. If problems continue, restart the watch and run the eject again. If still unresolved, contact Apple support for hard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.